I'm sorry, Scott, but we aren't mud raptors.
Oh, that was rough. I got some meds.
Scott, I love you as a crew member, but
I'll live.
we need to band together, you know? We need to set this aside. I would talk to the others, but we need to get this to work. Otherwise we will not survive.
Not really. Is this where we have to go? Yeah. God damn it. Let's go see if we can find some more trinkets, because I think that's what we're supposed to be using on these.
I will tell them myself.
It is quite big, thank you.
We have the two that we used to get this far.
And it gets bigger when I'm using it.
You know what? I don't even know why I tried. I don't even know why I tried that. Yeah, why don't we just go to the guy? I feel like a Fallout character, you know? Why don't we go to the big guy in power armor and just let's go attack him. Let's go pick a fight with him. Why wouldn't we? You can't do anything to me. I'm the captain.
I'm slightly alright, I am curious. Just hold still. Oh no! Oh no! Oh
Just an endless number of trinket doors and unlimited supply of trinkets.
Oh no!
Emergency! Emergency! Emergency, what's going on? There's nothing to
The captain stood in front of
There's
me.
one in here. Okay, cool. Let's,
The captain's below? Where's the captain? Where's the captain?
I shot him with the pile driver. No, he's gone. I split him in half. Oh my god.
Captain!
He's dead. I killed.
No, Captain's here! He's here! You idiot! You blasted him across the hallway!
Idiot on your toes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.